best friends, reminisce forever in my heart.
As I put my eyes first up upon the skies, reminisce my world and all about the lies. Visualize the scene of all my homie flies. Dies, life is so short compared to the mist, and it's all about this. Feeling so hard like an empty beaten heart. I think about the time when you and me are one. All seems so easy, a song without a rhyme. Take me back to the time we were young, it was fine. Had a girl, never mind. Now you're gone and I'm done with this life. Fucking turn. I think about the time we've been writer, we've been hater, we've been better. Living like a slayer, a player. Felt like a traitor, you've been down like a brother. Now that you're gone, left me all alone with all the memories gone. My best friend is gone. Hey, hey, come on. Best friend is gone. It's the hardest moment when I think about all of this. Standing by a grave, all I feel was this. Reminisce the way you and I used to risk. Wish all the dirt could be taken back. Dear Lord above, can you handle that? Down on the ground as a modest brown, I felt like a fish taken on the ground. Was hard to believe that you're 6 feet down. Ain't a word I could say, ain't a thing I could do. All I need was you to know that I love you as the best friend would do. Hard to define as I walk away, holding your memories as I stare away. Visions of your face keep dropping in my eyes. We raised like cheese, homie from high school. Live in the hood where things were good. Trust in the life where there's no man to shoot. Hear that again. Life can never turn back. Don't you know what to do? This ain't the end for me and you. I ain't in time to hate the government and fuck the barley. My guns are loaded. Hey man, shoot at. Man, can I bring you back? Live life, feel a different track. Hollow is what I had, heart with a large crack. As you rest in peace, do you know how would I feel? How would I feel? You wanna know?